What if the mistakes you are making right now could cost you your independence in just a few short years? And most people your age have no idea they are even making them. I am talking about decisions that could slowly rob you of your balance, your memory, even your ability to live on your own for as long as you wish. The reality is, there is a subtle biological event that happens the moment you turn 70, and it may already be reshaping everything from your sleep to your muscles and gut before you even notice. Imagine waking up one morning and feeling like your energy has slipped. Your digestion is off, or you just do not feel steady on your feet, but you cannot explain why. Maybe you have wondered why simple things now feel harder, or foods you once loved upset your stomach, or why a good night's sleep seems so rare these days. Are these just random signs of aging, or is there a hidden reason your body suddenly feels so different? If you have ever found yourself worried about losing your edge or not recognizing your own reflection in the mirror, you are not alone. Harvard scientists have been uncovering an overlooked chain reaction that starts in your brain after 70 radically shifting how your body works, often overnight. So what really happens at this stage of life, and what can you do to slow or even reverse these changes? Today I am going to share the 7 biggest body transformations that sneak up after your 7th decade, how they affect your health, and practical ways to push back. Think of this as the next chapter of your health story, one you still have the power to write. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. At age 70, something remarkable but rarely discussed takes place inside your brain, and it sends signals that change nearly every system in your body. Scientists at Harvard have found that after your 7th decade, your brain flips into what might be called preservation mode. Instead of prioritizing growth and regeneration, it reroutes energy toward defending your core functions. That simple switch sets off a cascade through your nervous system, your hormones, and your metabolism. The result: this is why balance can start to falter, sleep becomes unpredictable, digestion slows, muscles seem to shrink, and suddenly you are more aware of your heart and immune system. This hidden pivot often happens faster than most people expect, catching them off guard. If you do not understand this shift, you could unintentionally speed up aging rather than slowing it down. According to Mayo Clinic researchers, this kind of shutdown can reduce the quality of nerve signals, slow your metabolism, lower oxygen delivery, raise inflammation, and even short-circuit short-term memory. Here is what most do not realize. Turning 70 is not the beginning of the end. In fact, it is the start of an entirely new operating system for your body. If you learn what is changing, why, and how to respond, you can regain control and even feel stronger and brighter than before. Over the next few minutes, I am going to walk you through these 7 body changes in plain language backed by the latest research. I will show you real example solutions you can use and reassuring ways to adapt without fear or frustration. Let us start with a change that surprises almost everyone. Your sleep pattern gets a full rewrite after 70. Most people think poor sleep just gradually creeps up over time, but that is not quite the whole story. Research shows that once you reach your 70s, your brain does not simply make less melatonin. Rather, it begins to release melatonin in smaller, more frequent bursts instead of one big nightly surge. This remixes your sleep architecture. Instead of one long stretch, your sleep becomes lighter and more easily broken up into shorter segments or naps throughout the day. This is known as polyphasic sleep. That means many people over 70 feel wide awake before dawn or get sleepy in the early afternoon. If you have ever nodded off watching a TV show or found yourself refreshed after a 20-minute nap, you have noticed your body's way of coping with its new rhythm. Trying to force yourself into 8 hours of straight sleep can actually make things worse. Lying awake in bed tends to create anxiety and frustration. Instead, sleep researchers suggest you work with your new rest cycle. Create a bedroom environment that feels cool and calm, ideally between 65 and 68 degrees. since your body becomes less efficient at managing temperature. Use blackout curtains because even tiny amounts of light become much more disruptive now. And pay attention to sleep timing. Many people get the best quality sleep by taking planned power naps in the early afternoon, around 1 or 4 p.m. when your biology now prefers to rest. If you wake at 4 a.m., try getting up to read or stretch quietly until you feel sleepy instead of tossing and turning. Think about your sleep like a cat, flexible and responsive rather than rigid and scheduled. Some people find keeping a sleep diary helps them spot new natural windows for quality rest, so they can build routines around them. But even as your sleep changes, something deeper is happening in your muscles, one that can determine your long-term independence. After 70, your muscle fibers start a transformation scientists only recently discovered. Your body gradually shifts from building explosive, fast-twitch muscle toward more efficient, slow-twitch fibers. That is why many older adults find they can walk for long periods without tiring, but struggle more with activities that require quick bursts of force like jumping up suddenly or opening a tight jar. This change is partly driven by sharply dropping levels of growth hormone and testosterone, which your body produces at much lower rates now. Think of your muscles trading in speed for stamina. The mitochondria, your muscle cells' powerhouses, actually increase in your slow-twitch fibers, so you become naturally better at sustained movement over power moves. This helps with everyday endurance, but makes flashy strength exercises less effective and more risky for injury. To match your muscles' new strengths, shift your exercise routine toward endurance-friendly options. Activities like swimming or water aerobics are a gold standard because they support sustained efforts without punishing joints. Resistance bands or gentle bodyweight movements can help maintain muscle mass without strain. Timing matters too. Eating 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein within half an hour of moving helps your body preserve muscle by supporting those new slow-twitch fibers. Spread your protein intake into 4 to 5 smaller meals a day, since your muscles can only use a little protein at a time. And while creatine is often thought of as a young athlete's supplement, it actually can help people over 70 maintain daily function and energy, according to some research. The key lesson: your muscles are being rewired for efficiency. By working with those changes, not against them, you boost your odds of staying strong and active. Next, let us talk about your gut, because many notice digestive issues in their 70s and wonder if something is wrong. In fact, there is a real transformation taking place. Scientists call the gut's second brain awakening. Around this age, your intestines start producing fewer enzymes for digesting dairy and heavy proteins, but more for breaking down plant fibers and complex carbohydrates. Your gut bacteria, the microbiome, also shifts dramatically, shedding old populations and supporting new strains that are better with smaller, simpler meals and vegetables. If you suddenly feel bloated after milk or stomach upset after big portions, it is not your imagination. Foods you used to love can become uncomfortable, and you might discover cravings for things like bananas, beans, or fermented foods. The stomach itself even shrinks by about 20% in volume, but gets much more sensitive about sending "I'm full" signals, a built-in safeguard to prevent overeating as metabolism slows with age. To work with your transformed digestion, start by adding more fermented foods to your routine, not just yogurt, but also things like sauerkraut, kefir, and kimchi. Aim for at least a daily serving, which can dramatically reduce indigestion based on recent studies. Shift your biggest meal of the day to lunchtime because your digestion is strongest between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. and weakest at night. Focus on soluble fiber sources, such as oats, apples, and beans, and increase the amount gradually to about 35 grams a day. I always recommend warm or room temperature foods over cold dishes because your stomach's acid production is now much lower and warmth naturally aids digestion. Listen carefully to your body's reaction to foods, Making simple swaps can mean less discomfort and more enjoyment at the table. No conversation about transformation would be complete without taste. Many people over 70 assume their sense of taste just fades away, but there is more nuance here. Your taste buds do keep renewing every 2 weeks or so even at this age, but their sensitivity shifts. Foods that used to taste sweet or salty might now seem muted while bitter or rich. Umami flavors often intensify. Strangely enough, your body becomes better at detecting nutrients like minerals and protein, even as flavor sharpness changes. Some older adults report enjoying foods they disliked for decades, suddenly craving spinach, sardines, or mushrooms. There is a risk in this new pattern. Some people start adding more salt or sugar out of habit, trying to regain familiar tastes, and this can lead to health problems. Instead, focus on building flavor intensity through umami-rich foods, such as tomatoes, fish sauce, aged cheese, or mushrooms. Add herbs and spices toward the end of cooking and play with contrasting temperatures or crunchy textures, which can make meals more satisfying when flavor changes. Mornings are often the best time to enjoy favorite dishes, because taste bud sensitivity peaks early in the day. What matters is creating routines that celebrate variety and nutrition even as tastes shift. Let us move now to something few people associate with aging: your body's temperature system. After 70, the brain's thermostat, the hypothalamus, gets a complete recalibration. Instead of maintaining that set it and forget it 98.6 degrees, your body naturally widens its safe temperature range. You may find yourself feeling chilly at odd times, or suddenly too warm for no obvious reason. This is not just comfort. It actually helps your energy efficiency, but it can be unsettling. The amount and activation pattern of brown fat changes after 70, and now requires movement rather than simple cold exposure. Practical strategies can make a huge difference. Dress in layers that you can add or peel away quickly. Moisture-wicking base layers keep your skin dry. Insulating middle layers help with warmth, and outer windproof layers block breezes that suddenly feel harsher now. Most people sleep better with bedroom temperatures between 65 and 68 degrees, but be ready to adjust blankets during the night. Your body's thirst mechanism also weakens, so make deliberate efforts to drink water even when you do not feel thirsty. Scheduling morning exercise helps stabilize your temperature settings for the rest of the day. Even certain rituals like warm baths or gentle time in a sauna can train your new thermostat and improve your sense of well-being. There is another subtle shift happening in your brain that almost nobody talks about. After 70, the way your mind handles money changes. This is not just age-related forgetfulness. Studies have shown there is a rewiring in your financial decision-making centers. You might find yourself feeling more satisfaction in giving to others or supporting family than in saving or accumulating. The regions of the brain that light up when you help others become stronger, while those that get excited about building a nest egg fade back. This also means your sense of risk shifts. You become more cautious with essentials, but sometimes more generous with leftovers. This generosity shift comes with benefits, but also some risks. Older adults can be more vulnerable to scams because trust circuits in the brain grow stronger, while suspicion circuits shrink. That's why it is essential to set up practical financial systems, automatic bill pays, clear spending limits, and separate accounts for essentials, gifts, and experiences before these shifts take root. If possible, work with a trusted advisor or a family member who knows how to spot trouble before it starts. Always plan significant purchases when you feel sharpest, usually late morning, and avoid big financial decisions late in the day when emotions might cloud judgment. Finally, we arrive at the most fascinating transformation of all. New imaging research shows that as you age, your brain starts producing a different mix of chemicals thought to be linked to wisdom, a phenomenon some scientists refer to as crystallized intelligence. You gain the ability to connect ideas more quickly and see life's bigger picture with a calmer perspective. This often comes with a newfound sense of peace, even about difficult topics like mortality or loss. Your brain's pattern recognition improves, and you pick up on the underlying gist of situations without getting stuck in details. Many people over 70 find their advice gets to the heart of the matter in ways that surprise younger friends and family. How can you encourage this wisdom circuit to thrive? Make space for daily reflection, meditation, prayer, or even simple quiet walks. Spend time with close friends or family, since meaningful conversations actually strengthen these brain connections. Enjoy creative hobbies like painting, gardening, or writing, which tap into deeper patterns of thought. And make sure you are getting enough REM sleep, because this is when your brain makes the most of these new chemicals. Diet matters too. Fatty fish, berries, and green tea may feed your mind's transformation, while limiting processed foods and alcohol helps protect your progress. All these changes can feel daunting, but they are part of your body's blueprint to steer you toward wisdom, resilience, and new purpose in the years ahead. You are not breaking down. You are recalibrating for a new chapter. If anything about this resonated or made you rethink what is possible after 70, please consider subscribing. That way you will not miss future tips about living stronger, longer, and more independently. And if you know someone who might benefit from understanding these hidden changes, share this video with them. Your best years can still be ahead. Let us make sure you are ready for every moment.